Yo, YouTube, what's up? So, today's been pretty good. Got a lot done on my coding. So, let's see how far I get. I finished all of the QCs. I think I did nothing that finished this morning. Finished all the QCs on my sample reads, and then I did an alignment with star is what I'm running now. So I'm running an alignment with star right now. I trimmed them. I trimmed them with BB Duck. So that took a while. So I trimmed all my reads with BB Duck, and now I'm doing an alignment with star after I indexed the genome already. Doing all this on Pegasus is really interesting. I'm learning a lot. I think I'm doing. I mean, it's working, so I'm doing it correctly in that sense. But I think there's certain aspects of it that I should be putting into it. Like I gotta claim um, what project is for and everything. And sometimes I'm doing a secure copy instead of installing software directly on the Pegasus. I don't know if that's good or bad. We're gonna find out. They say something, but that's what I've been doing today. Also, I've been looking into helping someone with their subscription base on their webpage. They go through this program called MailerLite. It's a it's a program. It's an add-on plugin that you can use with WordPress to add forms and subscription notices. And I saw some really cool stuff. Like I'm really interested to finally get with this person, sit down and start working on their website with them. And this is we'll create like a pop-up. So you know how like you start a website and you start scrolling through, and like halfway through a pop-up comes up and be like, yo, subscribe here, click this, put your email information. So I can do that and make a separate form on my side that says subscribe here, and it'll add to their subscription list within their MailerLite account. So I'm interested. I'm so excited about doing that. Hopefully I'll get with this person later today or tomorrow, and we can work on the website. Right now, like I said, I'm aligning my reads to the genome with the program Star. It looks like it's going to take 30 30 to 36 minutes per sample. So that's going to, if there's 48 samples, that's going to take 24 hours. So this time tomorrow it'll be done, which is perfect time because Monday I'm looking to go back into school, and I don't want to have to not go back because I'm waiting for this to finish. So this is working very well. I'm learning a lot. I kept telling y'all I'm going to show y'all some code, so I'm going to show y'all some quick code right now, just so you can see some of the stuff that I've been working on, and then I'm gonna close it out. So, all right. So this is me. This is in my terminal. The terminal is a GUI that you can click on, and on Macs, and this is me on my Mac, and this is the terminal I set up to look this color. Terminal is kind of like an old DOS. I think it's a Linux-based program or something, and it's just like the back end of your computer, so you can type all this stuff in without using the icons. So the icons are basically, I believe those are called GUIs, and those are interacted by touching. But this is the back end of the computer that is only accessible by typing and stuff like that. So let's see what I got going on here. This is me working with Star, trying to figure it out because it wasn't working right. This is making BB Duck scripts, and I don't know why it says BB Duck scripts. Um, Maybe that was 4 star, and it just says that because I didn't change the name. That's probably what it is. When running the script, if you don't change the echo, so this is saying echo making a script for blank. I think it's supposed to say star here because I ran the star script sh, the executable, and then I made all of these star scripts based on all of the samples that I have, and then I was looking at a way to chmod plus x, that is making the script an executable script, and then dot dash runs it. So I was having a problem here. Fatal error, unrecognized parameter name out sam type in the command line. That's because the star I was running was an old version. That's the star that they have uploaded originally or already onto Pegasus, and that version does not have an out SAM type. So it would exit it and close it out. Wasn't working well. So I went through a couple things, and this is where I went to my software, and I actually brought over Star from my regular computer onto the drive here in Pegasus, and then I looked in it and made sure everything was there, and then I set my path for Star. First, I tried it in the Mac. This is what I use on my home computer. The path in the Mac. The path is making it executable by just typing the word Star and allowing it to run. The problem with this was that the computer that I am using for school, the supercomputer, is not a Mac. It's a Linux base, so I had to change my path to the Linux base, which I did somewhere right here. No, right here. Boom. So, where was it? So here's the path home to the Mac. It didn't work, so I printed that out. Went into there. Parameters. I don't know. I did it somewhere. Oh, here you go. Path export. There you go. Export path. Home software Linux. Boom. That became the path. Typed capital Star, and then it came up with version 2.79. So then I tried to run Star and run the script. When I tried to run the script, it didn't work because I then need to redo the genome. So I did that, but then I started running the scripts again. See, it didn't work. Fatal error, incompatible with the Star version that I made. So the genome I made was the 2.3, the one that was on Pegasus. I used that Star version to make the genome index. That is not compatible with the newer version, the 2.79. So then I had to rerun, making the genome index. Then went back and then ran the. So I ran it again. Boom. So it started, created the genome index right here. Double checked everything, went in and made sure it looked the same as I have on my local computer. Then I went into scripts, looked at this, ran the Star script again. Again, this is supposed to say making the Star script. Then I got the Star scripts. I made the first one executable. Actually, I removed everything and I did it again. Boom, and then I made them all. No, I made the first one executable, and then I ran it, and it ran well. So then I wanted to see how much space that took up, because I only have a limited amount of space, 2,000 gigs, and I'm already using 1,677 gigs on the drive, and I wanted to see how much that running the alignment actually takes up the space for. And so let's see. I guess I don't have that. I had that up here. I don't see it. Anyway, oh, here goes. When I ran du-hs, this shows how much gigabytes or the amount of RAM, not RAM, but memory that or not RAM, whatever, disk space that this whole file folder holds, and it's 5.5 gigs. So I made sure I had enough space that if everything was running at about 7 gigs, I had enough space to finish every single one of these scripts. So then I reran the scripts, and then I made all of them chmod plus x, and then Star is a wildcard which just says everything. So everything, I made it executable, and then I found this nifty for loop saying for script in that directory. All of them run the script and then done. So I've been running it since whatever this is, since 10:16. It is now, wait, not 10:16, sorry, 8:16. It is now 10:20 something, and I have successfully completed 1, 2, 3, and I'm on the 4th one that's running. So about 30 minutes each script, 48 scripts, about 24 hours. So this will be done about this time tomorrow. Anyway, these are some of the stuff I've been doing with the coding and script building for the RNA-seq project. Hope you enjoyed that and that wasn't too confusing. Thanks for tuning in. That was the code. I don't know if you learned anything, but you see that it's super complicated. It's a lot. So Thanks for tuning in. As always, peace, love, and stay safe on purpose. Until next time. Bye.